Makayla Janae here, back with another video, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I got this really super cute protective hairstyle that you can do on dirty hair. If you guys would like a video on this makeup, please leave a comment down below. I actually want to start doing more informational makeup videos for you guys. I feel like there's no one on YouTube really showing you guys and really trying to teach you guys and explain why you do what you do to your face. I'm really going to start step by step and breaking down your face and showing you guys how you can achieve looks like this and really get your makeup life together and learn the skills you need to learn. So if you guys will be interested in that, that is on the way. If you guys would like to see how I achieve this look, this cute style right here, please continue to watch.
He took the top off, or he see the top?
He took the top off his Maybach.
Nah, Wayne, what they ain't what the hell I heard. I see the top of the Maybach.
I don't
see
think
the top of the Maybach.
that's not what he
That
said.
is what he